beautiful people, what it do, Sky Squad. Welcome and welcome back. And so since it's been a minute before I have shown you guys how to actually palm roll your locks, so if you're looking for a way, like a step-by-step tutorial on how you can maintain and retwist your own locks at home, save some money, or just in case every once in a while maybe your loctician is booked up or you just want to save some coin, keep watching my videos, my channel, because that's my whole thing. Like, I went to the loctician in the beginning of my lock journey, and now I have learned a lot of things over the past 5, almost 6 years of doing my own locks that I want to share it with you guys so that way you guys can do the same things at home. So this time we're talking about all about palm rolling, some tips, some tricks. The next video I will be talking about how to locksmith as well. So as I did this cute little lock style, which I have a video of for you, if you want to know how to palm roll your locks, how to handle clip placement, especially if you have star locks, teen locks, how to do all of that, extra tips to maintain your locks and kind of like control that frizz, then you're in the right place. Keep watching. Let's hop right into this. So you want to make sure that your hair is moisturized and hydrated. You do not want to palm roll on dry locks. In fact, if your hair is a little bit wet, it will actually help the palm roll technique stay a little bit longer and just have an overall better retwist experience. I'm also using my hydrating aloe and flaxseed retwist jelly, lavender rose infused, and that's also going to help add the hydration in there as well. So you want to make sure you have healthy hair first. That's first and foremost for sure. Now I'm actually twisting at the root there, and you can still see some of my new growth closer to the lock, to the mature locks there, and I'm actually going to palm roll. So I am putting it in between my palms in like a praying motion, and it's easier for me to roll one of my hands up, and I'm going in the direction that I usually go consistently. So if you retwist clockwise or counterclockwise, take a minute to think about which way you want your locks to roll and stay consistent throughout. Now, when it comes to clip placement, you want to be extra careful with this as well, especially if you have starter locks or even teen locks, any part of your lock journey. I am actually putting 2 clips here. You can see one is actually right after my new growth, and then again is another clip down to kind of anchor it to my shirt. I'm clipping in 2 places, so therefore it can hold my retwist in place and then also keep my lock in place as well, so it doesn't unravel or untwist on me. Some additional tips that can help you when palm rolling is, of course, definitely make sure you have clips on hand. You can see I'm using quite a bit, but this will help keep your locks in place, especially if they don't lay down on their own or they're not fully mature yet. And I like to part either with my fingers or a comb, but really think about the direction that you want your locks to lay. So if you want it to lay to the side or straight back, retwist in that way so that way it can dry down in that same style. And that's it really. So see how easy that is? Let me know if you guys have tried this technique. I would love to see it, and stay tuned for the next one.